Top 10 highest paying jobs in the Philippines, part 1. Number 1, lawyer. Maraming klaseng lawyer and they really studied well for this kind of craft. May criminal lawyer, may family lawyer, tax lawyer. So lahat ng klase, they're very special. Again, this is just average monthly salary. So iba-iba. Meron, pag starting ka, syempre mas mababa. Pag tumatagal ka na in the business, and of course, depende rin kung saan ka employed. 2 is software engineer. This is also a specialized skill. Average monthly salary is 84,506. The longer you stay in the business, pag mas napapirate ka, mas lalaki yung value mo kasi mas marami ka rin alam. 3 is surgeons and specialists. Of course, pinag-aralan nito for so many years. So yung practice nila, mataas din yung risk kasi hawak din nila yung buhay ng tao, diba? Each operation is different. Aircraft pilot or aircraft engineer, again, pinag-aralan nila to, specialized skill. Pag nag-travel ka, di ba, ilang tao ang nakadepend dun sa pilot. So, the longer they stay in the business, syempre mas lumalaki yung monthly salary nila and pag mas lumilipat sila sa ibang airline. University professors, again, depends also kung saang university sila papasok and kung ano yung tenure nila the longer they stay in the business also. And kung mas specialized din yung tinuturo nila. So, iba-iba yung value for different professors. Like and follow.